Hey, happy Tuesday, everyone. This is Michael Flo with the implementation team. Today I'm going to be going over some of the changes that occurred in version 14, and we're going to start inside of the system-wide preferences. And in here, you'll notice that now we have this expand and collapse all button. And if we're taking a look through here, you'll notice that there are no longer any order system related items within the system-wide preferences. The same thing goes under the user-defined labels. You'll now notice that there is no order system tab down here at the bottom. And the reason for this is within our order system tab and then our options up in the top right, we now have an order system preferences to combine and relocate all of this information into one area specifically related to the order system. So here you'll see the order system associations that were previously in the system-wide. As well, you'll see the custom labels for the order system, as well as our line item labels for the order system. Back on our general options, you'll also see some of the newer options that we have put in place in terms of our order system options, such as enabling service agreements and requests, and to allow items onto multiple work orders. Additionally, you'll see some of the areas for the substatus to be defined with the default options. This can be referenced in another Tip Tuesday video that has been done, as well as our new charge discount method. This has now been relocated over here and is useful for being able to calculate discounts in a much clearer way for reporting. Please let us know if you have any other questions.